One day there was an egg who was in a nest all alone, and they didn't have a mother. They were just popped out right here. Then they saw, well, they were trapped. They couldn't see. And then Honey talked very majestically. Hello. Talking. Hello, little birds. As that mother, or whoever she was, picked up the egg and put it on her back, she carefully walked away with the egg that she felt like was right for her.
Because like you're blue and I'm blue.
The mother flew away, taking the little egg. The mother decided to go to the highlands. The mother decided to live in the grassland and took her child and dropped it. The egg was on the floor. Come on, baby. And beak. Then the egg got picked up in her beak and was carefully being taken to a home.
This shall be our new home.
The egg was getting cold, so the mother very softly laid on the poor little small egg. Years later, soon the little egg hatched and
Where's Mama?
Where's Mama? The egg hatched and became a little robin. The mother was bringing back food for the child.
I'll be right back.
She hatched and always thought the goose was her mother, even though she was a robin. The mother was going to go fly to get some food for her child.
I'm going to go fly and get some food for you. You just have to stay here. Do not move.
The mother quickly built her little child a nest, which was called her home. She hopped in and quietly. Then, one day, the robin grew into a beautiful young bird.
Say, Mommy, why aren't I like you?
Mommy, why aren't I like you?
It's because you are a robin. I'm a goose. I'm not really your mother.
It's because you are a robin. I am a goose.
I'm not really your mother. I adopted you.
Oh, is that why? I've never learned to fly, Mommy. Can you teach me?
Okay. Come here.
Just walk.
Okay. I shall teach you how to fly. So you have to jump at least. You have to jump. Come here. You have to jump twice. Okay. You are going to try to fly.
Isn't this okay?
Try jumping. Okay.
I can't.
We'll try that again. Stop moving. So let's go. Okay. So you try jumping 3 times and then you make it like You're doing it. You're doing it.
Mom, help this feeling.
Can you let me down now? You did it. Yes.